Hello all, welcome to Iclonesia. This time I will show you how to animate the Physics Toolbox vehicle. When we import the vehicle into iClone, a Physics Toolbox window will appear. This is what we will use to move the vehicle. But before that, make sure we have changed the physics setting to bullet engine, not the PhysX engine. Don't forget to change the time mode switch to by frame, to get smoother simulation results. With the toolbook window we can start moving the vehicle like playing a game. If we shift the speed to a minus value, the vehicle will reverse, and if we move to the positive direction the vehicle will advance. The higher the value the faster the vehicle will go. To turn we just press the turn button left or right. After finishing, return the settings to PhysX engine and all vehicle movements are automatically recorded, and if we play, all the movements we did earlier will run, including the scene of the car falling out of the terrain. A sample project template for this tutorial will be available soon, please check the description. Thank you for visiting Iclonesia, have a nice day.